Good morning, Mr. Munger and Mr. Buffett. My name is Prakash Puram from Minneapolis. There seem to be great values in the technology sector that meet most of your criteria, philosophy in investing, with the exception of the simplicity criterion. Um, Names like IBM, Microsoft, HP, Intel. Would you ever consider investing in companies in this sector in the future?
Well, the answer is no, and it's probably pretty unfortunate because I've been an admirer of Andy Grove and Bill Gates, and I wish I translated that admiration into backing it up with money. But the truth is, I don't know where Microsoft or Intel. I don't know what that world will look like in 10 years, and I don't want to play in a game where I think the other guys have got an advantage over me. And I could spend all my time thinking about technology for the next year, and I wouldn't be the 100th or the 1,000th or the 10,000th smartest guy in the country in looking at those businesses. So that is a 7 or 8 foot bar that I can't clear. There are people that can clear it, but I can't clear it, and no matter how I train, I can't clear it. So the fact that there will be a lot of money made by somebody doesn't bother me really. And I mean, there may be a lot of money made by somebody in cocoa beans, but I don't know anything about them. And there are a whole lot of areas I don't know anything about. So, more power to them. And I think it would be a very valid criticism if Charlie and I, if it were possible that Charlie and I, and by spending a year working on it, could become well enough informed so that our judgment would be better than other people's. But that wouldn't happen, and it would be a waste of time. It's much better for us to swing at the easy pitches. Charlie?
Whatever you think you know about technology, I think I know less.
That's probably not true, incidentally. Charlie has a little more of a, he understands some things in the physical world a lot better than I do. But anyway, we'll go to zone one.